a really fun video for you guys today. My sisters are at school and my parents are at work, so I decided to play a little innocent prank. When my mom comes home, she comes home for her lunch break, so she wants food, and when my sisters come home, they get hungry, so they open the refrigerator. So with that being said, I thought it would be funny to empty the refrigerator completely of everything we have in there and leave eggs and milk. I put my GoPro inside of the egg carton to record their reactions. So when you open the refrigerator, you see nothing but eggs and milk. So this should be really good.
Got me feeling like yeah. Look, girl, you got me faded like I downed the whole bottle. Yeah, you walked in the room looking like a Victoria's Secret model. Throw your number in my iPhone and then let me take you home. I swear I think I fell in love. Either that or my drink's too strong. Took a walk on the clouds, fell asleep on the moon, and I'm not coming down now that I'm with you. If we ever wake up, don't know what I would do. Are we really in love or dazed and confused? Go, 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 feeling like go.
So, just do that. You drop it by. You open it. You go before that. What'd you do? It's not funny. There's no food. I was like, Larry, you cleaned out. I was like, you should have had the camera. Oh, you do have a camera right there. Hey. Okay. Camera right there. I was like, ain't funny. I'm gonna eat your fried rice just because of that.
Oh my god, that was so funny. I'm crying.
Did you see it on there?
Yeah, on my phone. It took me so long to figure out. In the egg carton?
No, where's all the food?
Oh, it's in my bathroom.
Better put it back before it goes bad.
So.
Oh my!
What? What the heck did mommy do?
Why is it all wet? Where up we go? Wait! Oh, there's the camera! That was you, wasn't it?
I tried to get my GoPro to work, but it didn't work.
Oh! I thought that was the egg.
Oh, my GoPro didn't even work. Close enough. Oh, it was on. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below if you want to see more pranks. Thanks for watching my video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.